Good morning from Grand Family Farm. I've got that rainy day feeling again. Two of the pigs are in there hiding from the rain. One doesn't mind. They're usually looking for water. Not today. It's a little cooler. Yeah, the ground could use some moisture. But I still haven't got the pasture grass mowed. So it's only getting taller. But over here we got a little beauty in nature here. Alfalfa flowers popping up. Yeah, I would have missed that if I would have mowed it, which I still need to mow it. Should be some good food for the animals when they get to graze this. They'll enjoy it. Still got to get all this chuckweed out of here. I'm not sure how I'm going to get the chuckweed out without killing the other plants I want to keep, the clover and the alfalfa. But this area right here, I'll probably end up spraying that whole thing and then replanting it. That was actually, it grew on itself, by itself, after moving the fill dirt in there, trying to level this out so it slopes instead of a drop. Anyway, a lot of projects not going to be done today. We're going to haul off some more stuff to the dump, but the lanes where they're at haven't been gravelled, and we don't want to track mud everywhere. Those puppies always find something to chew on. Hope that wasn't important at one time. Anyway, hopefully your day is drier than mine. Thanks for watching.